actually owned by the Bon Jovi drummer Tico Torres. It's both on a maintenance program. We have a diver in the water right now cleaning the hull, replacing some of the zincs that need to be replaced. I'm going to give you a walk around through the inside, through the outside, up on the fly bridge, and we'll take it from here. So let's have a look at the diver first. For the maintenance program here that happens every 3 weeks. She's always being maintained, always being clean, she's always covered. She's powered by twin Caterpillar 3126 diesel motors. Guess we'll jump on board here. Come back down here. Sleep 4 comfortably. She's been out to sea for as long as 2 weeks at a time. The motors are very efficient. Some of the electronics. Antennas. Decks are immaculate. Everything is kept in excellent condition. Nice swim platform. Got a door that opens and swings here for you. And the same thing on this side here. The compartment here, it opens up. This is where you're going to find the motor room. Divers coming out of the water. Divers out of the water. Everything looking good down there?
Yeah.
Great. Fantastic. Okay, let's have a step on side here. Come on in, let's have a look inside. Air conditioner is pumping out some really cool air. So here we are. Now we're inside. We've got a master suite. We've got a twin berth down here. And there's 2 heads. So it makes it very nice for all the ladies on board. The blinds here, you pull down and they come up on both sides. And another here. Which I thought was really awesome. It's got its own plates. You can just see the quality here, and this is one of two TVs here on board. You got the controls right here. You got recessed lighting up here. And there's plenty of room here to sit down. When you're docked, great conversation for family and friends. This table does come out. This table does come out here, and this does come all the way down, and this table does extend into a larger area, which is really a great feature. Here at the captain's helm, you've got great visibility coming out. Now there's some shades here on the windows. One of the most significant features and amenities that this 42 Azimut has is a handheld control for the motors. So you don't need to be here at the helm or at the flybridge. You can be anywhere on the boat and you can control everything by hand. And I'll have a picture or video on that for you coming up in part 2 of the series.